Hello there. My name is, well, you've seen the channel name, Spider Yap, and I know what you're thinking. That is a terrible name. But, it's the best I could come up with. What can I say? I'm wearing a Spider-Man mask. So I'm Spider-Man, and I yap. That's gonna be the channel's all about. Me yapping about things. And of course, the first thing I'm about to do is, I'm gonna react to my old videos before deleting them. Because they were so cringe, like, yeesh. Well, I mean, I should be deleting them right now and not making a reaction video about it, but I thought it'd be a nice first video. First video, like first for this content, for the channel, my own thing. Oh, I'm saying so much. Oh, good luck to me. I wonder if this will ever blow up. Anyways, let's get started.